Gregers and I have attended the Unique Mind ESP Consciousness Training courses since they started in 2010, and we'd like to tell you something about how we've experienced it. The first thing I noticed was that I was much more relaxed, and then I noticed that I was thinking differently and feeling differently and behaving differently. And one effect was that I had more patience. What about you, Gregers?
Yeah, it's definitely made a lot of changes in our lives after we started using the techniques. I think I have more self-confidence and more. I trust my own intuition a lot more than what I did before.
Yeah. And we found that when we use the techniques we learned, the effects are just astounding. It still, after 10 years, feels like we get amazed by the results sometimes. And for myself, well, just say one more thing. For myself, the more I use the techniques, the more I realize how ingenious they are. Because it's so simple that you hardly can believe it would have an effect.
I think it's astounding also to see how things fall into place. The right things happen at the right time. Which, of course, it did to a certain amount. Did that before, but it's even more now.
And it helps us to find solutions for the whole. Not just that we're going to win and someone's going to lose, but that the solutions are good for everyone.
I think doing the course together as a couple, it's a big help because we can discuss things together and help each other and motivate each other. So I think if couples should take the course together. I think
so too.
People shouldn't be afraid of taking the course, and because it's if you take it all by yourself, your mate may not believe in what you're saying and the effects that you feel that you're getting. We can both experience it.
Mm. Well, we feel that taking this course has been one of the best investments and one of the best decisions we've ever made. We've had no regrets, and we appreciate it every day. Right?
Yes,
yeah.
I agree.